You're about to see the wild through the eyes of an elephant matriarch. We strapped a camera onto her and followed her straight into a wildfire. Today, we're joining a magnificent matriarch and her family on an unforgettable journey, with a camera capturing every step from her perspective. The day begins peacefully, but suddenly, the air changes. Smoke rises in the distance. Flames spread through the forest. The matriarch senses the danger instantly. With a deep, commanding call, she gathers the herd. The elephants close ranks, protecting the youngest as the fire grows closer. Their primal instincts kicking in as they navigate the fiery path. A burning tree crashes down, blocking their path. Without hesitation, the matriarch turns the herd into thick, smoky brush, guiding them through the chaos. Ash fills the air. Flames crackle around them. Then, thunder. Rain begins to fall. Thunder rolls, and the first drops of rain begin to cool their scorched backs, a sign of nature's timely intervention. Amidst the downpour, the elephants press on, shielding their calves from the flames. Every step is a testament to their resilience, their unbreakable family bond shining through the smoke and fire. Finally, they reach the life-saving waters. Submerging themselves, the elephants find sanctuary, dousing their bodies in trunks, washing away the danger. Relief washes over them as they escape the relentless blaze. From the cool embrace of the water, they watch the inferno recede, a stark reminder of their harrowing escape. With renewed strength, they emerge onto the scarred land, but not defeated. The matriarch leads her family forward towards a new beginning. As the sun sets on their epic journey, casting a golden glow on the horizon, the elephants walk into safety. They are survivors, a symbol of strength and family. Witness the power of nature, the wisdom of the matriarch, and the enduring spirit of these magnificent giants. If this made you see the world a little differently, subscribe, because this is just one point of view.